In this video we will be assembling a CSE 1.5 and 3/4 pneumatically actuated diaphragm valve. We've got placing O-ring in the inside of the upper body housing, as well as O-ring inside of the flange plate and outside of flange plate. Locate your stem, place an O-ring around that. At this point we're going to want to lubricate the inside of the housing with food grade lubricant, as well as all of our O-rings. Place the plunger down securely, spring over the top of the plunger, place your tooling on. Once your top flange plate's been lubricated, you're ready to press that down. Now at this point we're going to need to press. Use the press to lower the top plate securely. Once the inside ring is exposed, find your retention clip. Place retention clip securely inside of the groove. Make sure to secure before releasing the press and release the press. Remove your tooling from the body. And that is how you assemble the upper half of the actuator of a CSE diaphragm valve.